welcome back. And today we are going to be trying a recipe from this cookbook. So I have been wanting this, but it's been sold out. So I did pick it up at a local library, and we are going to be trying it out. So I wanted to do her famous chocolate chip cookies. These look scrumptious. We love chocolate chip cookies in this house. My family absolutely loves them. So I just can't wait to try these and see how these come out. But because, again, this is a library book, I didn't want to get it like dirty or anything like that because it happens when you bake and cook. So I've actually gone ahead and I've taken a picture. As you can tell, I've already started prepping and I've already gotten it, dirty with flour. This is why I wanted to take a picture so I wouldn't get this book dirty because it's not mine. So we're going to be putting this away. So I'm going to go ahead right now and beat the butter. It says to beat it for about 2 minutes or so. I have added the sugars, the brown sugar. I did not have caster sugar. I didn't have the superfine sugar, so I just added regular sugar. I'm pretty sure it's going to all work out fine. And let's mix that in. We have an egg at room temperature for my sweet girls. And now we're just going to be adding all the dry ingredients. And let's mix that in slow. One thing that I think it's odd is there is no milk in this. And also no vanilla. I feel like, I don't know, for me it's just different not making a cookie or baking something without putting vanilla. But again, we're doing as the recipe says. It is a pretty thick dough. Honestly, it kind of feels like Play-Doh, to be honest with you. The recipe calls for dark chocolate chips and also milk chocolate chips. But the only milk chocolate chips I have are actually semi-sweet. And they're the mini ones. I don't have any regular size ones. So we're just going to do all, dark chocolate. Because I also have to be careful with what type of chips I use. Because it does also need to be soy-free. Because we do have a soy allergy as well. And these from Trader Joe's are soy-free. So that's a plus. And honestly, there is quite a bit of sugar in this recipe, so I think it might be really good having the dark chocolate chips. So it just says at low speed to go ahead and combine these. So let's go do that. So that's low speed. Just gonna dunk them right in. So I just wanted to show you what the dough feels like. This right here, it actually feels more like moon dough. My daughter just had to help me because I couldn't think about what's that Play-Doh that's like fluffy. But it is. It feels like that moon dough for sure. But I can't wait to go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and shape these, and then we need to chill them in the fridge for about 3 hours. So let's get doing that. I don't even know if I could even use a cookie scoop because this is so thick. But let's try it and see how it comes out. Just going ahead and using like this scoop, and it's coming out like that. So it's pretty big. It's a big cookie because I don't want to do small ones. I've seen in her book and also online she does pretty big, cookies. I'm pretty sure they're even bigger than this, but I think that this is a good size amount. We don't want it to be, too much of a big cookie. So I will continue doing the rest. So this has made me 17 cookies. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the fridge. And it says for 3 hours. I don't know if I can wait that long. Let's see how long I can wait so these can get nice and hard, because her cookies are pretty like fluffy. They're dense, so I can't wait to try these because they do look very good. The consistency is what's throwing me off, but that's the fun thing about trying new recipes. So I cannot wait to try these. So let's go put them in the fridge. So this is the finished project. I don't know. They're not my favorite at all. I thought that the dough was kind of missing something. I don't know. I think next time I am going to try these, and I am going to try them with putting some vanilla in it. I just thought that the cookie itself, the dough, not the chocolate chip, was lacking something. Even my children who had it also felt the same way. Also, I think I'm going to try with semi-sweet. I know with the recipe you're supposed to do, part of it dark and the other one milk chocolate. But obviously with the soy allergy, it makes it a little bit more difficult trying to get those type of chocolates that way. But I definitely think I will try this again with semi-sweet, and I will definitely go ahead and add some vanilla to it. So this one was at the 400 for 16 minutes, which is what the recipe, asked for. And this is what the bottom looked like and everything. My oven sometimes runs higher. I do have a KitchenAid oven, but I do feel like it runs higher. So I did do the second batch. With this one, I did it at the 375 for the 16 minutes. And it's still, warm. They've been out for about 5 minutes. They do say to wait 10 minutes. And not to, try it because of the consistency of the dough. But look, this one I'm able. See, I feel like this one turned out better. But again, I think this is just my oven. Let's grab one of these over here. But see, the color's just a little bit, not too much off. But the front, I feel like they are lighter. So I definitely would do the 375 for my oven. If your oven runs a little bit hot, I would definitely suggest that. But they were okay. They weren't my favorite. I'm going to try it again and try and put the vanilla in it and see how I like. But again, I wanted to do it true to the recipe because her cookies are famous. So I don't know. They're not one of our favorites though so far. But let's keep trying it. They also have a New York one as well. So I definitely want to try that also. But, they are good. Don't get me wrong. I just got chocolate all over my hand. But the dough itself, it was lacking. It didn't have much flavor to it. I definitely feel like it does need some maybe vanilla. I don't know. Guys, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have tried this recipe, let me know as well. Did I, mess something up? I don't know. But definitely let me know. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Happy baking.